Ever fumbled for a light switch in the dark? Or left lights on all day by accident? I used to forget to turn off lights constantly. My electricity bill kept creeping up every month, and running around the house flipping switches? Exhausting. That's when I found the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3. It's a game changer for busy homes and tech lovers. Let me show you why I'm obsessed with it. First, it works with Alexa and Google Home. That means hands-free voice control. Just say the word. Alexa, turn off the living room lights. Done. No more stumbling around with full hands or in the dark. You don't need a hub, just your Wi-Fi. Installation is simple, even for beginners. All you need is a neutral wire and a screwdriver. The Kasa app walks you through setup step by step. It took me less than 15 minutes to install mine. The design is sleek and fits any modern home. It blends right in with my other switches. Now let's talk about remote control. With the Kasa app, I control my lights anywhere. At work and forgot to turn off the kitchen lights? Just tap your phone and they're off instantly. Coming home late? Turn on lights before you arrive. It's perfect for security and peace of mind. You can even set schedules and timers. My hallway lights turn on automatically at sunset. No more walking into a dark house after work. And everything is UL certified for safety, so you know it's reliable and built to last. Let's see how it works in real life. Here's my living room before regular old switch. Now with Kasa installed, I just say, "Hey Google, turn on the living room." The lights pop on instantly, no hands needed. Or I open the Kasa app and tap once. Lights on or off from anywhere in the world. I even grouped my switches for one-touch control. Movie night? All lights dimmed with a single command. Leaving for vacation? Schedule random lights for security. It's automation that fits your lifestyle, and it works with any standard single-pole setup. No complicated wiring or extra hubs required. The app is user-friendly and intuitive. You get notifications if you leave lights on. And you can monitor energy usage too. The 3-pack is perfect for upgrading multiple rooms. I started with my entryway, hallway, and kitchen. Now every main light is smart and connected. My family loves the convenience. Kids can control lights without reaching switches. No more yelling to turn off the lights upstairs. Guests are always impressed by voice control, and I love the peace of mind when I travel. If you're into smart home upgrades, this is a must. It's affordable, reliable, and looks great. No more wasted energy or forgotten lights. No more running around at bedtime. Just set your schedule and relax. And the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3 is a true upgrade, whether you're busy or just love gadgets. It makes life simpler and your home smarter. Ready to make your lighting hands-free? Check out the Kasa Smart Light Switch on Amazon. Look for the 3-pack for the best value. And don't forget, no hub needed. Just Wi-Fi, the Kasa app, and your voice. Upgrade your switches. Upgrade your life. Try the Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200P3 today. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.